GITECH is leading the global market by realizing customer value and acting for a sustainable environment. GITECH has been a manufacturer of precision parts such as slot die and slit nozzle since 1990 and has been recognized worldwide for its patented technology related to slot die that has corrosion resistance, abrasion resistance, heat resistance, and functionality. It has become an innovation that increases productivity in the secondary battery industry. We have a variety of product types that can implement customized web coating technology desired by customers. Recently, we expanded into the equipment business, focusing renewable energy fields in response to the climate crisis, such as secondary batteries and hydrogen solar cells. In a roll-to-roll process that realizes various patterns of coatings on flexible plastic and metal foil surfaces, Slot Die extrudes a metered coating solution in a uniform manner to form coatings on substrates moving at high speeds. It is a key component that determines coating quality, productivity, and economy in the display panel, secondary battery, hydrogen, and semiconductor industries. In existing slot die, corrosion or abrasion easily occurs in the lip and lipland parts of the slot die due to the increased content of solid powder and corrosive medium liquid additives in the coating solution and the high-speed conditions for improving productivity. Frequent work stoppages occur for replacement. This deterioration leads to a decrease in coating quality, which in turn lowers the performance and durability of the secondary cells produced and reduces process operation rate. To solve these lifetime issues, we introduce our tin titanium nitride slot die that simultaneously enhances wear resistance and corrosion resistance. The tin titanium nitride slot die has a uniform titanium nitride coating layer on the outer surface through vacuum physical vapor deposition technology. It has properties such as low friction, abrasion resistance, sticking resistance, heat resistance, and corrosion resistance. In particular, it has strong durability at high temperatures, and due to its high hardness, it has the effect of significantly reducing wear of the slot die, even if the coating solution contains solid powder and liquid corrosive additives. The tin titanium nitride slot die with optimized wettability properties allows solid particles in the slurry to be emitted cleanly without getting stuck in the lip area. The non-contact coating method does not directly contact the substrate, resulting in high coating uniformity without damaging the substrate. As a result, long continuous operation is possible during equipment operation, which improves customers' product productivity through fast coating speed and high operation rate. We contribute to reducing the energy consumption and carbon emissions of product production, thereby contributing to the sustainability of the supply chain with our customers. GITECH's innovative technology contributes to ESG management that creates sustainable value for customers and the environment by designing used slot dies to be repeatedly reused. Technology that evolves with nature. With creative thinking and endless challenges, the best partner for your successful business. GITECH will be with you